with this, let me go ahead and hand things over to Dhiren, and he can talk a little bit about the Colgate organization and some of the challenges that they face.
Thanks again, Greg. And first, I want to talk about our purpose as a company. This is a purpose statement that is fairly new. This was launched this year. We are Colgate, a caring, innovative company, growth company, reimagining a healthier future for people, all people, their pets, and our planet. And this is a really powerful statement about us as a company and where we want to go in the future. As we think about our brands, this slide shows some of our brands around the world. Obviously, our flagship Colgate toothpaste brand. We've got our Palmolive brands, which is our personal care. We've got Hills, which is a pet nutrition brand. And so these are brands that are recognized all over the world and probably found in every single household, at least some of them in each household globally. When we think of us from a business perspective, we think of four categories of business. We start with oral care, our flagship category. And within oral care, we also have toothbrushes. In manufacturing, that by itself is a big area of focus. The Hills Pet Nutrition business is our science-based pet nutrition business. We are a leading organization from a pet nutrition perspective. Our personal care brands include Palmolive, the Colgate Palmolive, the company. Palmolive is our personal care brand. But we also have three new brands that we've recently acquired: Elta MD, PCA Skin, and now Filorga. And some of our personal care brands are all over the world. But when we think of brands like Protex and Palmolive, they're very, very big in parts of Latin America and Asia. And then home care, a big staple for us, very big in Asia, big all around the world in some of the brands like Soft Soap and Suavitel, Exion, etc. So a broad portfolio, well over 30,000 people working in over 200 countries.